Hello everyone and welcome back to class. Today we're going to start our first project. So when you get the house at the top corner of the screen, find Google Classroom. Click Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, slide down to find 5th grade Tech at Hartman. Click 5th grade Tech at Hartman. Once you're on Google Classroom, go to the Classwork tab. Click Classwork. Our first project is in Google Slides. It's called Intro Animations. Click the clipboard. It says, you probably know how to find an animated GIF online, but how about creating your own? Learn how to create your own animated GIF with Google Slides. Click on the link Google Slides. Over the next few weeks, we'll be creating a flipbook in Google Slides. This is our first slide, and we'll set it up today. First, we want to change the background. Put your mouse on the slide. Do a 2-finger tap. Slide down to Change Background. You can change the background several different ways. First, we're going to change the color. Click on the color dot. You can see you can change it to any of the solid colors. Click a solid color. Then say Done. You can see that your slide now is a solid color. Do a 2-finger tap once again in the center of the slide. Slide down to Change Background. Again, go to the dot. This time, go over to the word Gradient. A gradient is a color blend. You can see all the different color blends here. Go ahead and click on one. Then say Done. You can see that this color blend starts off white in the middle, then changes to yellow. Let's try another. 2-finger tap. Change background. Go to the dot. Let's try to make our own custom gradient. Go to the word Custom. Here you can see 2 dots, the white and the yellow. Click on one of the squares and change the color. Now it's blue in the center, going out to a yellow. Click on the other square. Change the color. Now it's blue in the center and yellow on the outside. Let's add a dot. Click Add. Change the color. You can click and hold on the dot and move it either closer or further away from the center. You can also change radial to linear. Click OK when you're done, and then say Done. Now you've made your own custom gradient. That's 2-finger taps, down to background, the dot. You can change your background to solid or a gradient. Then say Done. Last thing for today. Once you've finished your background, go to the Shapes button. The Shapes button is the circle square button at the top. Slide down to Shapes. Find a shape that you can write your name inside of. Click and hold and drag. Click and hold on the shape to make sure that it's right in the center. You'll know that it's in the center because you'll see the horizontal and vertical red lines. Double tap inside of the shape. Now write your name. Just your first name will be fine. Notice how small it is. Click and hold and drag over top of your name and change the size. Make sure it only goes on one line. I'll hit the minus sign. Change your font and center it. Today, change your background of your first slide. Then, add a shape. Inside that shape, write your name. That's all for today. We'll continue next week. See you then.